Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use catnip powder. Catnip, derived from the Nepeta cattaria plant, is a wonderful tool for enriching your cat's life. It contains a compound called nepetalactone, which can elicit a playful or relaxed response in roughly 70% of adult felines. We'll cover how to apply it safely and effectively, whether you want to encourage exercise, alleviate anxiety, or simply make playtime more exciting for your furry friend. Let's get started with the basics. To make old toys feel new again, simply sprinkle about 1/2 teaspoon of catnip powder directly onto them. You can also rub it into scratching posts to encourage your cat to use them instead of your furniture. For new items like beds or carriers, a small amount of catnip can help your cat associate them with positive feelings, making transitions smoother. Remember, the effects of catnip are temporary, so reapply every 3 to 5 days to maintain its appeal and keep your cat engaged. Catnip can be a fantastic training aid. If your cat isn't using their scratching post, try rubbing a generous pinch of catnip powder into it. This often redirects their attention from your sofa. You can also use it to encourage play in specific areas, promoting exercise and mental enrichment. For anxious cats, a small amount before a stressful event, like a car ride, can help them relax. It's also a great way to reward good behavior, reinforcing positive associations. Proper storage is key to keeping your catnip effective. Always store it in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to preserve its potency for up to 6 months. While catnip is safe for most cats, moderation is important. Giving too much, perhaps more than 1 teaspoon at once, could occasionally lead to a mild upset stomach. If you ever notice an unusual reaction or have any health concerns, it's always best to consult with your veterinarian for personalized advice and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.